We are Atlatl.
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 What is an Atlatl?
An Atlatl was a native tool that used leverage to add speed and accuracy when throwing a spear, kind of like a tennis ball launcher.
And that's what we do for our customers. Our tools bring the power of visualization, configuration to our customers' product, sales, and engineering team. Our tools bring the ability to show in real time even the most complex engineered products with the power of visualization and unmatched customer service and success. To learn more about Atlatl, our products and technology, you can find us at atlatlsoftware.com.
Or stop by our booth at ProMat. We'd love to show you the next generation of CPQ, visual selling.